Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft New Monitoring Agent, which is a one-shop solution for all your monitoring needs for your VMs. So why the need of new agent? Microsoft is retiring its legacy agents, MMA and OMS, which are getting out of support on 30th of August 2024. In replacement, Microsoft has come up with a new single agent known as Azure Monitor Agent. Customers using legacy agents would need to migrate to AMA as soon as possible. So what is Azure Monitor Agent? AMA collects monitoring data from your guest Azure VMs, on-prem VMs and non-Azure cloud VMs and delivers it to Azure Monitor. So using AMA, we get immediate benefits. New agent allows you to collect granular data and can filter out the final data that is being ingested into the workspace or Azure Monitor, thereby reducing the data volume being ingested and more cost saving. Security and performance. AMA uses managed identity to talk to various resources in the cloud. In large-scale organization, it's recommended to use user-assigned identities and use of policies to deploy Azure Monitor Agent. Simplified management of AMA allows you to easily install the agent and then collect the data from the VMs. How can we start using the new agent? We can install the agent by a number of ways we have. Number one, we can directly go to the virtual machines page, select the virtual machines, and under extension we can directly install the agent. Or what we can do is create a data collection rule wherein we define what data we want to collect and then directly attach the virtual machines to it. What this will do is it will create a system assigned identity plus a DCR association with it, which will tell the agent what data it wants to collect from the VM. In DCR, we also specify the destination. It could be Azure Monitor or Log Analytic Workspace. Supported services. So the data which we collect from Azure Monitor Agent goes to the Azure Monitor. From there, we can use the data to go to Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Microsoft Sentinel, and VM Insights. Azure Lighthouse is the feature which we use when we want the data to be sent across tenants. So the pricing of the new agent. Agent itself doesn't cost you anything, but we do get charged for data being ingested and data being stored in the Azure Monitor. We can more optimize the cost by collecting only the data which we need by using granular data collection rule. So the next topic would be the practical, how to install AMA and set up DCR to collect data.